Boolean,
String.
string, that's what. Then complex to certain extent, but it is. Now from here I need the thing what we have gone through today. Next, what we have gone through?
List.
Bytes. Correct, right? Byte. Okay. Seventh, bytes. Bytes it is. Okay.
Byte sets.
Byte array.
Array. Bytes array.
Sequentially we have to remember. Okay.
Okay.
Then list. Then tuple.
Tuple.
Then
Range.
range. Then what else?
Set.
5 minutes. మీరు తింటూ వస్తాం. Range. Then set. Then what else we have? Frozen. Set. Okay. Total 12 we have finished. At least to an extent you can remember. Last thing I will show. Okay. The last part of it is, okay. Let me change this. Home. Let me cut this entire thing. Guys, important thing, you have to practice it, else it will be a story only. Okay. Okay. Let me just put it over here, just in case. Okay. Last part of it is, okay, what we have is dictionary. Okay. What is the spelling of dictionary? Dictionary. I think, I hope. Usually generalistic way. Guys, dictionary, you don't think of dictionary. What is dictionary? You haven't used any time dictionary? What will be there inside? Yeah. You'll go. You'll go to bed.
Defined value.
Okay.
Oh, no, not.
No, it is last 10 minutes.
Okay.
Robin, just finish it so that you'll have satisfaction of all data types finished.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead, Harsha.
It has some defined values.
No, general I'm asking. What it will be there? In dictionary, when you open it, what you will see?
Meanings.
Find all.
Like how it is arranged. How it is arranged. There is a
Arranged
word.
in sequence from A to Z.
Correct, right? Okay, sequence and all later, you have a word. To that, a meaning. Correct, right? A meaning. Okay.
Yes.
This word, anywhere it can be repeated. Is there a possible? Like you have, as you said, sequentially, apple you have. Will it be same word getting repeated anywhere? Is it possible
No.
in the dictionary?
No.
No. Okay. Correct, right? So apple is a fruit. This is the meaning. Correct, right? Orange is what? A fruit. Correct, right? So values can be repeatable. Correct, right? This
Yes.
meanings can be repeated. But the main, this word, will it be repeated anytime in the dictionary? No chance at all. You take any dictionary, okay, all of them left side, whatever we have, are unique. Okay, right side, many of them might be duplicated. Remember that. So if you want to represent a group of values with a key and value pair, then you should go for some dictionary. Okay, example. Okay, my roll number is 235. Okay, and my name is Raghav. Okay, and Teja. I mean, sorry. Next element, I have put comma. Remember that I have put comma. Next is 236. Okay, Teja. Okay, then 237. Okay, Robin. Okay, then 238. Okay, Harsha. Then like that, Sagar. 240. Okay, Prem. Okay, uh, okay, something 250, something, some, whether this is sequential or also we don't mind. Okay, 235, 250, that can also be possible. 297, something is there. Okay, but this numbers, is it possible for you in the class to get repeated? Is there the same roll number is present in the classroom?
No.
Your roll number is
Unique.
10. It will be unique. Correct, right? Okay. It can be something like our what do you say, college uh, what do you say, roll number also. It can be alphanumeric also, right? Okay. For me, like like the if you take a PAN card, okay, ALR, PR, something like that, you will get it 9610 something. Okay, huh? So that is what it is, some alphanumeric, but it is unique. Correct, right? Sometimes only the strings. Okay, sometimes only numbers, sometimes in, but left side whatever you mention throughout this whatever the data, whatever from here to opening brace to close brace, the left side items whatever you put should be unique. And these values, see, I can have within the class one more Raghav can be there. I don't have an issue. Okay, if you want to represent a group of values as key value pairs, then we go for dictionary. As I said, this is one among such examples. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicate. If you are trying to insert any duplicate value, okay, then you have to what do you say, like you have to, like if this value you can actually replace it. Okay, now let us see one or two examples so that we'll come to know whether how dictionary works. Okay, yeah, good. First, order is preserved or not, correct, right? First we'll write the dictionary and then we'll see one by one. Okay, we're almost done, because even I want to have a satisfaction of we have finished something, like all data types we have finished to certain extent, where you guys can even next week, before next week, you can go and see some programs. I mean, write programs. Okay, 101. Okay, okay, 101. Okay, this is Raghav. Okay, comma. Okay, 102. This is Ramesh. Okay, 115. This is Ramesh. Yeah, 113. Something. I am not putting order or something like that. 113. Okay. Venkatesh. Something. Okay, I have some values. Okay, and I'll put some other values also. Where, see, this is also interesting. Okay, okay. Class. This first year. This is also unique. Okay, this is also unique. This should also be unique. Whatever. It is not like all should be within like anything 100 or something. You can have anything, the first value. Okay, but it should be unique. No repetitions or something. That let's try how it behaves. Okay, now
It's more like a key value, right?
yes, key value only. This is key value only. Okay, now print of A. Okay, now what I'll give one more value. I'll give here. 119 is equal to Jayesh. Okay, something is equal to not, it is colon. Okay, I have done with my this thing. Now I'll print A. I'll see whether order is preserved or not. First thing. Print. Okay. Does order is preserved or not is the first thing what I should would like to think. Okay. One thing you have to remember here. Okay. Being like this particular data type, okay, it's very hard for you to say like whether it is mutable, whether the order preserves or not. For huge data, right? Okay, order is not preserved because it is like kind of set kind of thing. Okay, here I'm not able to show you. If you have huge amount of data, okay, what it will do is, I think I should be able to show you guys. Let me mm, 10 plus 5j is equal to Mahesh something, some junk data I'm giving. Okay. Now, C colon 55 D colon 99, because sometimes it is very hard. That's what I told you guys. It's not possible sometime to show the order preserving things. There, one example we have got something. Okay, let us try to see if we are lucky enough. Invalid syntax somewhere we have put. Where we have put invalid syntax? Guys, somewhere you have put invalid syntax. Any idea? Oh. Where? Where? Let me remove this. Control X. Means somewhere here. Okay, 10.5j. Complex is not allowed. That is equal to is not allowed. Okay. Is equal to is not allowed. Here. Colon I have to put. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. For sure, I'm 100%. Like order is not preserved. I'm 100% sure about that. If you get anything, because it is more of key value based. Okay. So order is not at all important over here. In whichever way it want, it will represent it. Okay. So just remember that. Okay. In blindly you remember that, because I need more data to show that, but I'm 100% sure about it. Okay. Just what is this? Dict. Dict is equal to first thing, order is not 100%. This is not preserved because you don't have index. Okay. So you cannot have order. Okay. Because it is key value based. Order is not preserved. Okay. Heterogeneous is allowed or not?
Allowed.
Obviously, we have seen it, right? Heterogeneous is allowed. Any kind of key you can put, any kind of data you can put. That is allowed. Okay. Then duplications is allowed or not?
No.
We have discussed this.
Key cannot be duplicated.
Yes. Let us see. Key can never be duplicated. Where it is? Now what I'll say is, okay, I want to duplicate the key. Okay. For just to duplicate the key, what you have to do is, say for example, D of, okay, this one you want, A of, okay, 101, A of 101, okay, okay. What happens if you see, okay, there is no, you can actually do something, but if you try to change this 101, okay, what you want to change it is capital Raghav. Just remember, or Ghav, I want to put it as Raghu. Okay, just I'll put like this. Okay, then see this. What happens? You see, print A. Just I'll run it. What happened? The value got changed. Got it right? There is no option for you to work on the key. Got it right? Guys? Guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. There is no option for you to work on the keys. Okay. If you try to access A of index only not there, A of 0, okay, huh? Then run it. What you are getting? What is this you are telling? Index you are asking. I don't preserve order only. Then you are asking me to give me the index. From where I should get you? It is not possible for me. That is what it is showing. Okay. So what the thing here is, it is the index is nothing but the key. Okay. The index is nothing but the key. When I say, boss, I want this index. Oh, you have this value. Got it? What value it is stored there, it will give. Index here is key. Key only index. Guys, confusion? How many of you
No,
got
Raghu.
confused? Tej, confusion anywhere? Robin?
No, unclear.
Robin?
Yeah, Raghav, yep.
Clear, right?
Yep,
Nothing. Okay. So if you want to change the value of any specific thing, you can change it. Okay. You just the key value is equal to whatever the value you want, you can give it. Okay. There is like, if you want like new key value, whichever it is not here. Okay. So now you tell me, just let me update that thing alone. Okay. Duplications is allowed or not? Okay. That is what we need. Okay. Now already I have 101. When I try to duplicate it, it is not possible. Correct, right? So I'll just update it. Duplication is not allowed. Let me update that. Duplication is not allowed. Okay, what is the next last point? Okay, mutable or immutable? What is this? Is it mutable or immutable? Can I add new variable or not?
Yes, can add.
I can add, right? I can give a new key as here, a new key as 999, which is not there, and I give its value as hello. Okay, and then I'll print the new.
Raghav, we are unable to see your screen.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Oh, I took the paint only. Okay, now you see. Okay, what I did, I added new key value. Okay, new key which was not there, and I added some value to it. I can add same Ramesh also, not a problem. See, Ramesh. Key should be unique. Okay. I added same Ramesh and I clicked enter. Okay. What happened? Okay. Now 999 has come with Ramesh. I was able to add. So with this, we can conclude that, okay, dictionary is dict is mutable. Correct, right?
Yes.
Mutable or immutable? You tell me that.
Mutable.
Huh? You can grow it. You can grow the, what do you say? You can add, okay, you can remove, okay. You can do whatever you want. Okay. You can even delete also, not a problem. Okay. Um, just before to that, if you want to create some empty this thing, okay, empty dictionary or empty tuple or anything, okay, just remember this. If I say a is equal to, okay, give like this, what is this? What is this? Guys, what is this? Empty what? This one is empty
Dictionary.
dictionary, huh? Huh?
All right.
Okay, let us see. Type of A. Where did you mention? It is like this. Right, right? Now, I want, uh, okay, A is equal to, okay, if I give like this, 10, 20, now it is considering it as, okay, type of A as dict, anything, okay, but I want to convert it into set. Correct, right? Earlier thing, whatever we have done here, have we done anything on set? Because that means we worked on dictionary or set that time. What do you think? Did you get? You remember we have worked on sets, right?
Yeah, I think
Yes.
that's
Okay.
yeah.
Then why it is showing like this to me now?
We are giving floor brackets, right?
Sets also flower brackets only. Sets also flower brackets only. Hmm? Okay. A is equal to, okay. If I give, that's what I just made you confused, guys. Here, yes. Okay. Don't get confused. It is a set. Okay. I just confused you by putting A. Okay. Then you got confused. Don't get confused. Okay. Just when you give empty, it will consider it as a dictionary. If you give some values, it will consider as set. Okay. If you want to explicitly set, tell that boss, I'm not using dictionary. I want to use, okay, as a set. Okay. So A is equal to empty thing if you keep, but you want to specify that it is a set, then what you have to do is set. I think this is the right thing, I guess. Okay. Uh, oh, sorry. Let me put print of A. Let me just try. Okay. It is set, empty set. Okay. Anytime. Okay. You can use it. Hmm? So this is something that empty string, how empty set, how you can create it. Okay. Later we'll see remaining parts. Dictionary, this much you remember. All these things you have to practice it until unless if you practice. One more last thing which we have left out is what do you say? It is none. Okay. That doesn't have any what do you say, significance. Okay. None means nothing, no value. Okay. Associate to it. like it is not a, if there is nothing is available, then you can handle such things with null. Okay, that we'll see later. Okay, it is not required now, but for now, this is enough for us. Next week we'll be like getting into some escape characters and some kind of operators, okay, which are in depth. Okay, like more in depth. We'll be like using some programs and trying to get write some programs. Just we now single lines we have written, right? Later we don't do that, but we'll be getting in deep uh, all those operators. Okay. So then after finishing that, then we will slowly getting into the main concepts. Okay. So for me, like if we finish like all these data types and operators in a programmatic way, that means like our 60% of our syllabus will be over. Okay. Maybe next week we'll try to finish all those things. Okay. But before to that, to understand all those things, you should be in a position to uh, what do you say, write the programs. Okay, so I will make you I'll request you guys to just go through everything what we have learned this week. Hope you enjoyed this week course. Okay,
Yep. Yeah,
let's
whenever
meet. Yeah,
yeah, whenever I get a chance, right? Can you please send that video of
yeah,
from this?
I'll do it by evening. I'll try to finish it. Huh?
Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
fine then. Okay, bye everyone. Take
Yeah.
care.
Thank you, Raghu. Thank you.
One
Yeah,
more thing, Raghav. Just 1 second,
uh,
okay?
uh,
So
go ahead.
I saw that you are starting some sessions new classes on that
Yes,
SOC, right?
yes,
So
yes, yes.
how is it going to be different from the from the
See,
free
that is
version you're
where.
doing? Yeah.
That is what it will be like internship kind of thing. Okay, internship in the sense like what is the difference?
Yeah.
I
So you have
giving only the data. I mean, like just giving explanations and that thing, and I'll practicing all those things is totally different. Internship is something like I'll be creating like like SOC is now
yeah.
the hot. Okay,
Yeah.
it's very because it is. Yeah. So
Not about internship. So there is
the
one
the
without
main
internship.
it's
Yeah.
not internship. That is what I'm telling. It's not
Okay.
internship. It is for freshers to come, right? We have to use
Ah,
the
okay.
word internship. Okay.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Yeah. So that is the thing. Freshers in the sense like 1 2 years of experience, guys. They need at most. Yeah. So what we do here is like you'll be having some sort of challenges. You have different kinds of data sets, correct, right? You
Yep.
might be using the cloud data. You might be using the normal data. So what we do is the systematic approach of attaining the data. Okay, which I'm not explaining it in our real, I mean like existing batch. Okay, what
Okay.
I'm giving, I'm just giving the queries. But this time what I do is I create queries and we'll have some challenges. We have to sit and we have to identify the adversaries. Okay, challenges in the sense first once after you come to know better hands on the what do you say queries, right? Okay,
Uh-huh.
then I'll be giving you the data set, okay, which will have the real attack traffic right from antivirus, as I said, everything you might have seen right last time. Okay,
Okay. Then
uh,
and again, so it's based around Splunk itself.
it will be Splunk, but
Uh-huh.
more of from the like Splunk is a tool we use, but
Yep. Uh-huh.
the if they give you some sort of like other arc site or anything, right? Okay,
Uh-huh.
tool learning it takes just a week of time for you, correct, right? But the correlations have you right. Okay, you might have seen my approach how I took
Yep. Yep.
for identifying the reconnaissance traffic, like someone is actually scanning my data or not, correct, right? My
Yep.
server, someone is trying to scan from external world or not. So what I did, I took 2 to 3 different data sources, okay, and I've come to a conclusion to see that some scanning is happening. Okay, my ideas told that this guy is doing this. Okay, and my this thing. So the approaches only we'll be discussing. Okay, but Splunk, but I'll be giving some sort of information like how you have to proceed with Splunk. But our main objective will be provide you the data required for you to analyze and provide you the approaches like we'll be discussing weekly what do you say, once after like 15 or 20 days of your this thing, right? Once if you get hands-on experience on writing the queries and dashboards, right? Then we'll go ahead with the challenges. Like we will take some challenges, open source challenges, and we'll be working on like you will be having say 30 challenges for this week. In that, like what is the IP address of uh, the adversary? What is the attack traffic word? What is the tool he's using to attack us? So all those things will be having a list. So it is a combined package, kind of like driving a person who is from zero to become a L1 or L2 level. Okay. There is like how you can do operations wise also some other thing, which it will be totally different. But how you will be doing the incident handling when you get any ticket, irrespective of Splunk or anything. Okay. If you have a week of training, whether it is curator or anything, okay, but the attitude towards like how you are going to come to a solution that he is the adversary, how you are going to identify it, that particular training I'm going to give. Here, what we have done is like what steps you have to take care, where you get the data, that much I have explained, but I have not taken them maximum. I might give another 4 5 like brute force attacks, ransomware, and another one or two I'll give. But I don't give them the challenges. Okay, I don't give them the real data to them to how to work on them. I don't give them like how they have to like if they get any what do you say incident, how they have to raise a ticket. The real time experience. I will give them the real time experience. If I get an instant ticket, what steps I have to follow, okay, to whom I have to contact, how I have to do that kind of experiences also I'm not doing. So you will get all these things, real-time data, challenges, traffics. Challenges means that is what I said, right? I'll give set of questions and you have to we have to start sitting and identifying and how much time you took it, how much, how far, whether we'll be validating it. All those things we'll be doing it. But we'll be having huge data set in the sense like correlation rules will write like maybe like 50 60 correlations rules we write
Okay.
just
And for the I mean for the topics itself, like you will be doing the same approach, right? I mean like from the scratch kind of thing.
yes, see
Okay.
that is what first that see the people who will be in this particular thing, right? I'll be uploading another set of videos for them which is like to learn what is the HTTP basics. They doesn't know what is HTTP basics. I'll be creating separate videos for that. Okay,
Okay, got it.
and I'll be creating, they don't know what is antivirus. Okay, first they should know, understand what is the log. Correct, right? Okay,
Yep.
so I'll be creating a separate video for that. So once after like slowly when it is moving, right? Okay, I'm just refined to certain extent now where without even my intervention, they should start and they should finish. That is what my,
Yeah.
I mean like my minimum intervention, the more they should be able to gain. Okay.
Got
So
it.
for that, I have actually now for the videos, you must be knowing like, some sort of others content I'm relying on for internship. Okay,
Hmm.
so some videos and all, but I just want to get rid of that as well. I want to have my own videos to be in place when because they get the real feeling, my pace, they'll go with that.
Yep.
Okay, so that is the thing. Let's
Cool.
see, we can have this. Guys, if any one of you really interested in SOC internship, just get back to me. I will bet you, no one will give you this data. I mean, like this kind of approach. Okay, you will now. I'll write it and give it to you because I am here in the industry from very long time. I know how the people will come. Okay,
Add
if
me,
you,
Raghav.
huh?
Add me.
Sure, definitely. Okay,
I'm
sure,
very much
definitely.
interested on that.
Yeah, if anyone interested, see, even for Harsha, even for you, if you are interested, rather than going for like Python is very much useful. Like if you are learning it, definitely like it will enhance your, but the same approaches, like if you put it in cyber security, the same Python in cyber security, it will get multiplies into 100 because you hardly find SOC engineers with Python. So you'll be the, like, if you have 10 people come for interview, you'll be the first person, chosen person to be picked. Okay, because they don't have any other. I think the same thing I have discussed with Tej also. Correct, right? Tej, I told you, if
Yes, yes.
someone 10 people come for the interview, okay,
You will add
you
on to your
say
skill.
yes, you say Python, okay, that is the only reason why I'm taking this thing, even for the people who are either directly in Python or not in Python. I mean, like either in SOC or not in SOC. If it will be very useful. Okay. Yeah, that's if you go and see some like people like SOC expert or SIM experts, if you see, okay, God, their material is so sucks. It'll be around. Robin, what I can say is most of them are wrapping their course syllabus, right, around the tool. Okay, we will make
Yep.
you learn QRadar. We'll make you learn uh, what do you say, ArcSight. We will make you learn this thing. But to be frank, okay, that doesn't mean to the company to whom I am recruiting. Okay, that is going to change in another 2 3 years.
Yep.
Okay, because there are some new orchestrating tools are coming, right? SOAR
Yep.
tools.
Mhm.
Once they come, all L1 jobs are gone. I'll write it and give it to you. They want only the people like solid investigation knowledge. Okay, that time they will be paid more, and who are having better knowledge, right? They will only be going to survive. Others only morning I'll come, I found 3 alerts. Okay, I took it and assign it to someone. That story is gone. Now you are into which thing?
Me,
Ro- Ah, yeah, yeah.
actually, I am part of a blue team.
Okay,
You know. Yeah.
okay.
But
Yeah,
I just,
you're,
I just recently like stepped into this.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So this is the thing. See, if you want to write any scripts, right, you during the blue team activities also, say Python, some data you have, like you want to do something and all, you can use it. But that adding advantage to the like SOC with correlations itself, it is totally different. Correct, right?
Yep.
New approach, the management will get satisfied with the approaches, giving inputs, and you must be knowing like what kind of hard work will be there for us, like when it comes to whitelisting and blacklisting things. Correct, right? Okay.
Yep.
So all those things, how you can actually manage, that is also we are going to discuss. That is totally different content, like how you better manage your layer 7 whitelisting, how you have to better manage your layer 3 whitelisting. Correct, right?
Yep. Mhm.
So that also is part of it, including this entire whatever I said, right? Internship.
Mhm.
It will be part of it. That that also I'll. So only the thing is, I was more relied on like based on the time, right?
Mhm.
So if multiple people are there means, then we'll have. I'm giving others content and then I'm just wrapping up the people. But now what I've decided, if at least I have like 10 people, okay, during the internship, I can have the similar kind of sessions and I can have a better quality videos, okay, because we have
Yep.
done a lot of things already. So I can give it to them. So that is the main thing. I'm just waiting for that. Hopefully, I took a new website. Unfortunately, I have to do some touch-ups to it. It's live and running, eLearn
Yeah.
InfoSec.
Yeah. I saw it there only. So I got that thing from your YouTube, and I was
Oh,
looking there. Yeah. So from there, that's
okay. So
yeah.
eLearn InfoSec, it is updated. Okay.
Yeah.
It is, I'm actually trying to just grab because for those prices, if you might have seen, for those prices, I think no one will give anyone internship. I mean, not internship.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
like,
for me, I don't want the internship thing, but like,
no,
again, like
it's
this,
not
yeah,
internship.
yeah,
For freshers, we see it as internship.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Let us see. Okay. If
Okay.
you guys, whoever is interested, just ping me. Let us closely one-on-one discussion we'll have, even if it is half an hour, 1 hour.
Mhm.
Then we will make like I mean a path for you guys, like what we will start, what we will end. I mean where we will end. Okay, and what is the duration. But we should be very patient because it could take some time, right, to become
Yep. Mhm.
a newbie or someone very beginner to become a pro. Okay. So what my intention is, when you are going out, you should be pro. Okay. Irrespective of tools, I don't mind. If you want, I can give you like any tools getting installed. Okay. But that doesn't help you. But clarity in getting the logs, that is important. Huh? Hmm? Okay,
Yep.
guys.
Cool.
See you. Anyone requires me, just ping me. Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you
Teja.
so much.
Bye, Arsha. Bye, Prem.
Bye,
Bye.
Raghav.
Bye.
Thank
Robin.
you.
Bye, Raghav.
Everyone. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye all.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
all.
Mhm.